Hey, how's it going, guys? Darth Vader Halloween here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the black jumping spider. I got this today at Spirit from my parents as a birthday gift, and I'm really glad that I finally got him. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Here it is, a black jumping spider. So we got this. Here's the main body itself and everything that's included in there. There's the module, there's the mechanism there. Feet. It's on this cardboard liner here. Move the box out of the way. I'm going to take all this stuff out of the liner here. I'm going to need some scissors. Hang on a minute. The main mechanism and module is out. And it's got the instructions on here. Here they are. So I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up, and I'll be back with you when I'm done. Alright guys, so my jumping spider is officially set up. Let's go ahead and set him up. Or, not set him up, set him off. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. See you later, guys.